what's up? This is your street jazz teacher here at your favorite dance school online with my 15 minutes class, which is part of a series of 8 videos going from beginner to advanced. Now, first thing, I know you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell too, so you know when we post new videos. Would be great if you could leave a comment, and please like the videos and share so everybody knows about Dance School Online. By the way, thank you so much for tagging us in all the great videos. I really want to see you doing my routines all over online. Also, check out our channel for more classes. They go from hip-hop to yoga, salsa, belly dance, pilates, African dance, Afrobeats, and a lot more. Alright, let's do this. Let's dance. 8, that's 1, 2, and since we're here, let's break this down, this 4 down together. This goes 1, 2, and your right hand goes like this. 3 is gonna roll. So I'm gonna break from the wrist, 3, and then I'm gonna push 4. Right? So let's all just do the hands first. So this goes 1, almost like a slow squeeze, and then stop, and then I break 3 and I push 4. Right? So slowly with the legs. How is this gonna work? We're gonna go 1, I step back, 2, and then as I turn my knee, check it out, it goes 3 here. I'm still staying on my toe, control, ta, and again, nobody's up here, shoo, low, right away. It goes 3, and then I'm gonna push off 4, right? As I do that, I push away this way. So 5, 6, 7, 8, I go 1, 2, step, 3, 4, from here, I'm gonna roll up, 5, bring it down, 6, you see my hip right here, so 5, sit back into 6, and I'm gonna use my right toe to go, and 7, and then finish this first 8 to go, 8, right? From here, from the top again, slowly, but let's try to put it together right away, right? So 5, 6, 7, 8, I get 1, down, 2, step out, 3, push 4, roll 5, back 6. Remember what I said in video 1? This happens pretty quick. 6 and 7, and then go ha. Right? Alright, here we go. 5, 6, 7. Take your time. Go 1, go 2, step out 3, push 4, roll 5, 6 and 7, stop. Another reminder, 5, you go down 6, so I'm engaging my hip, my fist here, 6 to go boom, boom, tap. Now, on that first step though, you don't want to just step back and back, you want to do a slide. Remember that we start with a slide, boom, shot, then the rest is the same, but that first step I need you to travel a little bit depending on the space you have, right? So go 5, 6, 7, first 8, go 1, 2, 3, push 4, 5, 6, and 7, ha! Alright, try a little faster, then we're gonna try with music right away, right? Let's get it today. 5, 6, 7, 8, go, boom, sha, doo-doo-doom, sha, zoom, sha, doom, doom, sa. Hey! Alright, music. Let's find it right away. Woo! 5, and 5, 6, 7, 8, go, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, ha! Hey! 5, let's go, and 5, 6, 7, push, go, boom, shot, boom, ta-da-ta, zoom, ta, boom, boom, ta. Now relax the back, check it out, so you want to keep this groove and go, zoom, shot, boom, ta-da-ta, zoom, ta, hey, hey, boom, so no tension, right, just starts and stops. 5, 6, 7, push back, boom, shot, doo-doo-doo, shot, zoom, ta, hey, hey. Hey, one more time. Repetition, go 5, 6, 7, let's go. Hey, ha, doo, ha, zoom, sha, doo, ha. Last one, let's go. And 5, 6, 7, go. And hey, sha, doo, ha, zoom, sha, doo, ha. Nice. All right. So from here, good job. I told you I was gonna push you today, right? So 7. 8, from here, I'm gonna bring my left leg up, 1, drop right in front of the right, 2. So that's 1, 2, but I'm gonna extend the count of 1, right? So 7, 8 goes 1, 2, and if you took my video 1, you'll remember how many times you drill this to get the right texture, so now you can use it right away. So try to progress with what you learned. It goes added on to your skill, boom, sha, What happens after? Right, left, right, bringing it down. Right? Counts being 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. Right? So 6, 7, 8, I go whoa, fuck, ta, ta, ta. I don't know what those sound effects are, but you know, as long as they work and you learn it, perfect. So 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, right, left, right. Then again, if you find that if you have more space in your house and you can extend this movement, you can always travel more. Like, boom, sha, zoom, zoom, zoom. You can always extend and see how far you can go with it, right? So hands for this. 8. Here we go. The left leg comes up, my left arm pushes away this way, like you want to push somebody away to the side, or you want to like look over a wall or something like this. You go, hey, sha. All this to say that your arm doesn't go this way. Your arm follows the power of the leg here. Slow, sha. Or the momentum, right? And now my arms go right and right. So like snapping hands, if you want to snap, you can. Boom, boom, boom. At the same time as you step right, left, right without dropping the arms. So pa, pa, pa. Hey, right? Let's do this together. So 7, 8, I go 1, 2, I go 3 and 4. Faster. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. All right, from the top, that's it. Breathe it in. Let's go. Slow, but non-stop. 5, 6, 7, slide. Go boom. Use your back when you dance. Ta. Go boom. Ta-da-da. Transfer that weight. 5, 6 goes. And 7, stop. Goes 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. Did you notice my stop? 8 and then go. So we're not going to try to get this all together. You go stop and then hey, ka, ta, ta, ta. Right? Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, bring it back. Go, shoo, sha, do, 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 ta. I go hey, hey, doom, doom. Stop, go 1, 2, 3, and a 4. All right? I hope that feels good. Let's do a little bit faster and you're going to play that track and try it. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, ta, ta, ta. Hey, all right, music, let's go. Woo, keep it up. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hey, hey, doom, ta, ta. 5, 6, ta, ta. Stop, go, hey, ta, ti, 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 hey. Again, let's go. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, big slide now. Boom, sha, boom, pa, ta, zoom, sa, doom, doom, sha, go, hey, ta, ti, ti, ti. Can I ask for something else right here? Can you go 8? Try to relax your neck a little more. So let's make it more like one of those, hey, ha. Right, breathe. So really all my power is on my right toe. Hey. Yes? Here we go. Let's try it. 5. No stop. And 5, 6, 7, go. Shoom, sha, doom, ta, ta. 5, 6, hey, hey. Sha, go, hey, ka, boom, pa, pa. Again. 6, 7, let's go. And zoom, ta, doom, ta, ta. Zoom, ta, hey, hey. Sha, go, hey, ta. Last one, 6, 7, and go, boom, sha, doom, ta, ta, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, pa, pa, pa. Woo, all right, time for water break, let's go. So, if you came from video 1 and video 2, congrats, you progressed, you're trying video 3, where we put them together. If you just started today with me, well, good luck, I hope it goes well. And I'm sure we're gonna get it anyway. It's just a different type of journey, right? So just a reminder, if this one is too challenging, I thought this combo a little slower in video 1, video 2. If again it's a little basic and you wanna go a little bit faster, you got video 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, check them out, yeah? And it's so great to dance with you today, and thank you for joining me. I always get happy to challenge you guys, so thank you for taking class, always, huh? And don't forget, keep pushing, keep the groove, find the video that works for you, and then you already know. For the next few seasons, you already know what your level is, but always feel free, even if you're more advanced, to go back to more basic, try stuff out, go a little slower. It's always good as well, yeah? So here we go, from the top. Let's run through finish that first section and then go into video 2, which is 8, 3, and 4, right? So 5, 6, 7, let's go. Slow. Boom, sha, boom, ba ba. 5, 6, and 7, 8. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, before we do the rest of the choreo that we need to finish this section, we're gonna do a little improv here, which is the connection before the next couple of 8. So I need you to think of stepping left, right, left, jump, right? Not really improv, more of a relaxed step, but I'll show you why. So you wanna go left, right, left, jump, just that, right? So you're gonna step from right to your left. For now, use this as a break to breathe. You're gonna go left, right, left, out, right? One more time. So 5, just walk to your left for now. 5, 6, 7, 8. I go left, right, left, hop, right? So what do I want you to do with this? So from 4, I want you to go back to center. So I'm on here, I'm on right, screen right, or stage right. You wanna go to the left. I want you to go around through your left, left, right, left, jump. And you're gonna jump facing your right. So check it out. You go left, right, left, and then I'm gonna go right here, boom, and I'll get ready for the second section, right? Now this stepping around, try not to just be super pedestrian with it, right? Try to dance a little bit more, find the groove, find the pocket into the music, right? So for example, I'm gonna go boom, 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 sa. You lighten your feet, make them work, yes? So here we go, from 8, you had this section, you go 1, 2, and you're gonna go 3 and 4, make sure you still hit that shape here, right, fist, fist, and then you're gonna go around any arms you want, bing, bada, bing, zoom, light on my feet, facing the right. Cool? From the top, let's go. Start from the slide, let's go slow again, let's recap, and then move on, right? So 5, 6, 7, here we go. I go 1, back, 2, roll, 3, push, 4, 5, 6, and 7, stop, goes hey, hey, ta, 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 reverse, boom, 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 sha. Alright, one last time faster, just for good luck, and then go on to 8, 3, yeah, so 5, 6, 7, let's go, and hey, hey, ta, 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 5, 6, and 7, keep pushing, ta, goes 1, 2, ta, 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 go 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Can I just add a little thing here? On 8, can we push the hands down? Let's just go boom, that makes it a stop. And again, try not to be too heavy, shoom, tiptoes, that's it, right? All right, second section, from here, you're gonna step, legs first, right leg behind the left, 1, and then right leg to the side again, 2, like you did in the beginning. And now you're gonna step, right leg towards the left here, and as I step, I go up, boom, and then I stop myself, 4, facing the front, right? So this is right leg, doing 4 steps, playing with weight shift. So I did 8. Second section, 8, I step, I come down, I go out right, I tap, boom, and I stop, hey, right? Here we go, again, so 5, 6, 7, 8. I go 1, I go 2, I go 3, and I go 4. Nice, again, 5, 6, 7, here we go. I go 1, I go 2, I go 3, I go hey. On that 3, careful not to just do a little jump like this. The foot's gonna trigger the step, right? So you don't have to think about it, you just have to kind of go for it. So boom, and then hey. So technically 3 and 4. Yeah? I can imagine you guys going like this. No. Relax and step. Yeah? So, hands here. The hands are here, they're gonna do the same step again. They go 1, right? So you did 8. Now you're gonna go again. 1, out, 2, no hand on this 1, right? So it's a little different. 2, on 3 again, no hands, 3. And then on 4, all I want you to do is right hand to your left shoulder, and hit it with the elbow up. Right here. One more thing that we said in video 2 as well, is that my heel, we just did this kind of at the end, so I don't know if you remember, is that my heel goes up here, right? So I'm staying on my toe, so I'm putting my power on the knee, on my toe, and the elbow here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, I go 1, I tap 2, I go 3, I go stop. You see that power there? So it goes zook, right here. And you're gonna hide this arm behind, that's fine. Keep your hand here, shoot, and stop. Right, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, here we go. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Bonus step right now. You land facing the left, you're gonna roll your body up. Whoa, that's my 5. On 6, I'm gonna bring it down, and I'm gonna cut it right here. Boom, look down. All right, from the very top. Woo, great job everyone. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification button as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much guys for taking my class. I'll see you in the next one. See you there. Dance one more time. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and look